welcome back. So this is gonna be a hair video. Yay! I'm so weird. Okay, so there you see I curled my hair into bantu knots, and so to take out those bantu knots I'm gonna use almond oil and the Aunt Jackie's elongating curling gel. I love those two products together because one, it moisturizes my hair, and the curling gel, it really helps basically keep my curls into place. So disclaimer, I wash my hair, so this is the day after my wash day, just so you guys know. As you can see, I'm unraveling the bantu knots, and then now I'm separating them as well. So now I'm going to use the Aunt Jackie's Quench leave-in conditioner. This video is not sponsored by Aunt Jackie. I don't even have enough followers for Aunt Jackie, honey. I just really love their products. My mom put me on, so thank you, Mom. So as you can see, I put maybe a quarter size amount, and I'm spreading the product all throughout my hair. I'm basically focusing it on the scalp, and then I move down towards the ends. Let me tell you guys right now, I'm really trying to learn more about my natural hair and what products work and what don't work, and that's gonna take some time, so really be patient with your hair, you guys. Now I'm going back in with the gel, and I'm gonna put it all throughout my hair. So I grabbed a decent amount to put in my hair and just distribute it from the back to the front to the sides, all that good stuff. As you can see, I'm not adding the gel to the bang part as of yet. I'm just trying to add it to where my hair is gonna form into the ponytail. So now I'm just separating the bang part from where I'm gonna form the ponytail. I just do that because sometimes my bang will get lost in the ponytail, and then it's just too short of a bang, so I just wanted to keep it separated. Also, as you guys can see, you can even create a half up and half down hairstyle. So like this video if you want me to do a half up, half down hairstyle with the bang or without the bang. Just let me know. Y'all know how to let me know. So now as you see, I'm brushing the hair. That's gonna basically make it smooth. That's definitely a problem I have with my hair. Whenever I put gel, it's not smooth enough, so make sure you put a decent amount so you'll get basically that sleek bun. So as you can see now, I'm putting in the scrunchie to form the ponytail. Make sure you get the scrunchies that are for thick hair. That's better because the other scrunchies, they're just gonna pop as you create your ponytail, and that's definitely annoying. So now that you got the hair in a ponytail, it's time to pick out the curls. But as you can see, the problem I told you I had is never smooths down. So I'm gonna add more gel to make it even more smooth. And then we're gonna move on to picking out the ponytail. Basically, picking out the ponytail is, again, you're separating the curls so that it will appear more poofy and there's just basically more definition within the puff. So as you can see, you guys can add product to the puff. Make sure it stays moisturized, make sure it has gel. And I'm also showing you guys the back to show you how sleek the back looks. Now I'm just adding bobby pins. I just like to make sure that my hair is extra sleek. So that's just me adding the bobby pins so that everything stays into place. Now we're just gonna work on the bang part. So I'm just taking the scrunchie out of the bang, and then I'm going to separate the curls and make it more fluffy. And I'm gonna show you how my bang pretty much covers my thin edges. Disclaimer, I know I didn't make the parting area for the bangs perfect. I don't want it to be perfect, that's just me, but you guys can make the parting for your bangs very precise if that's how you like it to be. Add in more of that Aunt Jackie's elongating gel, guys. I really love this gel. You definitely need to get your hands on it because it's so good. Moving on, we gonna add the ORS olive gel. I just be adding a little bit to my edges. I don't have thick edges. Hey, it's the result of pregnancy, so there you go. I'm just gonna sleek it down. I ain't gonna do too much. Just, you know, do a little something, make it look nice. Now I'm gonna use the Eco Styler gel. I probably use so much gel to you guys, but I promise you I don't put a whole bunch. I just put a little bit of the Eco Styler gel just so that everything stays into place for before I wrap the hair. All right, so boom, now it's time for me to put that scarf over my head. Make sure that the ponytail and the puff and all the gel stays in place, no flyaways. And then in 10-15 minutes or so, you can take the scarf off and your hair will be sleek. Watch this. You see? Now it's all sleek. Oh, look at that, that's cute. That's really cute. I really hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. I'm trying to learn more about my natural hair. So let me know if you liked the video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.